This fruity alternative works 5x better than cough syrup. The name of this super healthy fruit is pineapple. Pineapple is delicious and super healthy tropical fruit. It's loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. One of the most important and active compounds in pineapple is bromelain. Well, bromelain is an enzyme which can be very useful in reducing inflammation, and it works great against arthritis, cancer, heart disease and general inflammation in the human body. We can also say that this enzyme works as an anticoagulant because it aids in digestion and improves the symptoms of angina. A recent study that was testing pineapple for its effects on tuberculosis has found that this enzyme thins the mucus as well. This active compound is usually found in the stem and the core of this fruit, which are tough. So the best way to get the most bromelain out of the pineapple is by juicing these parts. Well, raw pineapple works best because the cooking and pasteurization processes destroy a lot of its medicinal properties. Powerful nutrients. This super healthy tropical fruit is loaded with many healthy nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B, potassium, calcium, vitamin A, iron, manganese and beta-carotene. As we all know, vitamin C is extremely powerful and useful antioxidant which is extremely beneficial and effective in boosting the immune system. This vitamin isn't produced by the human body and the human body can't store it, so you need to consume foods that contain high amounts of vitamin C in order to fight infection and disease. As we said, pineapples also contain high amounts of potassium. This powerful mineral is extremely important for your nerves, muscles and blood pressure. Potassium is found in every cell in the human body. We can also mention that pineapple is loaded with fiber and manganese mineral that contributes to bone and connective tissue strength. Pineapple is loaded with antioxidants which are effective in fighting germs, which is why it helps heal sore throats and cure urinary tract and ear infections. This is why pineapple is very useful ingredient for making this homemade cough syrup. The best thing about this cough syrup is that it's all natural and it works much better than over-the-counter medications. This homemade cough syrup is very simple and easy to make, just follow the simple instructions. Pineapple cough syrup recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh pineapple, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, 1 piece of raw ginger, about 1/2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon raw unfiltered honey, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Directions. As we said, this cough syrup is very simple and easy to make. Just combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until you get nice and homogeneous mixture. You should drink 1/4 of this cough syrup 3 times every day. You should drink this homemade cough syrup until you get rid of the cough. You can keep this cough syrup in the refrigerator because it won't affect its nutrition. As we said, pineapple is loaded with potassium, so if you take beta blockers they cause potassium levels in the blood to increase, then you should limit your consumption. As you can see, this cough syrup is all natural and much more effective than the other medications. Just go to the local health store, get the ingredients and make your own homemade pineapple cough syrup. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share with your friends and family. This garlic syrup is 10x more powerful than penicillin and treats many diseases including cancer. You should definitely try this homemade garlic syrup. It's super healthy all natural syrup which can provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. This garlic syrup is very simple and easy to make, and it's made by easy available ingredients, which are inexpensive and extremely beneficial for your entire body. As we said, this recipe is very simple and easy to make, and you will need the following ingredients: apple cider vinegar, garlic and organic honey. All 3 ingredients have powerful health benefits, and if you mix them you will supercharge their beneficiary effects. Here's why you should drink this garlic syrup. This super healthy homemade garlic syrup will boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure levels and reduce the levels of the LDL bad cholesterol. We can also say that this garlic syrup will reduce the number of colds and infections, and it's also very useful against arthritis, gout and joint pain. Homemade garlic syrup recipe. Ingredients: 8 peeled and lightly mashed cloves of garlic, 1 200 Cuban pesos milliliter of apple cider vinegar, 1 200 Cuban pesos ml of honey. Directions. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to blend the garlic so it becomes fine. Or you can use crushed garlic. Then you need to add the honey and the apple cider vinegar and blend for another 15 seconds at high speed. Now you need to pour this mixture into a glass jar. Store it in your refrigerator for 5 days. Note: make sure you mix the mixture every day. And after 5 days your garlic syrup should be ready. How to use it? Here's how to use this super healthy garlic syrup. Add 2 teaspoons of this garlic syrup in a glass of water and drink it in the morning on empty stomach immediately after you wake up. You should know that this syrup is extremely powerful and you shouldn't consume it directly. Always mix it in a glass of water. About the ingredients. Garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic will help you boost your immune system, and its allicin content makes garlic one of the most powerful natural antibiotics on the planet. You should consume garlic every day because it's loaded with healthy nutrients and its provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. Honey. This healthy ingredient has powerful antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. This super healthy ingredient is often used by many people in the world to alleviate chronic cough. Apple cider vinegar. It's loaded with many different phytonutrients which are very useful and beneficial in preventing cancer and leg cramps. This powerful ingredient also contains high amounts of citric acid which can help you melt kidney stones. Well, the best thing about this super healthy garlic syrup is that you don't have to wait until you are sick to drink it. You can drink it even if you aren't sick. This homemade garlic syrup is a great way to prevent cold and flu and to maintain optimal health. This garlic syrup is very simple and easy to make, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet, so nothing is stopping you from making it. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.